It's time for you to get your Jimny into the horsepower factory and get the most out of it. We've got a package. F off! F off! The Suzuki Jimny has always been a fun, affordable way of getting into four-wheel driving, but with that budget price tag, there does come some drawbacks, not which of least being the underpowered 1.3 litre four-cylinder motor that would struggle to carry a tent and a sleeping bag. In 2018, Suzuki brought out this model, which is the facelifted version, and it comes with the upgraded 1.5 litre four-cylinder motor. Now, although it's better than the 1.3, it's still nothing to write home about. So in conjunction with Harrop Performance and Manta exhausts, we've been able to develop 3 horsepower factory packages to suit the new Jimny 1.5 litre. And what we're going to do in this video is do them stage by stage so you can see exactly how much of an improvement each stage is. So let's get this bad boy on the dyno, see what it's making in standard form, and let's get fitting up an exhaust. So as I said, nothing earth-shattering there with a standard power output of 75 kilowatts and 130 newton meters of torque measured at the flywheel. And that exhaust note, well, it's hardly sporty. So it's onto the hoist to fit up the Manta catback exhaust. Now this standard exhaust has seen better days, so a new exhaust system is well overdue anyway. In this stage 1 package, we're replacing it with a stainless steel Manta 2.5 inch catback. So this exhaust system is designed to enhance the sound and the airflow of the Jimny without sacrificing any durability. It's made from high quality stainless steel and it's built to last and withstand even the toughest off-road conditions. Now it's also available in aluminized steel if you're on a budget, but we prefer and recommend the stainless steel version for longevity. Now by fitting our stage 1 package, which consisted of that catback exhaust system and a high flow air filter element, plus a tune to suit, we've been able to gain around about 15 kilowatts at the flywheel and another 10 newton meters of torque. So that's a really impressive 20% power increase. Stage 2 consists of completing the exhaust system by removing the original intake manifold and restrictive catalytic converter and replacing it with a set of tuned length headers and high flow cat. The ceramic coated headers and polished cat pipe are absolute works of art and are provided by AVO. They complement the Manta catback perfectly to create an amazing full exhaust system for the Jimny. This is sure to give the Jimny a deep, aggressive sound while not being at all drony in the cabin and perfect for long trips on the highway. Okay, so we've fitted the headers, we've now got a full exhaust system, we've got the air filter element from the stage 1 kit, plus we've touched up the tune to suit the upgrades that we've now got. So it's about another 5 kilowatts, taking it to 95 kilowatts at the flywheel, plus another 10 newton meters of torque, so taking it to 150 newton meters of torque. Now that's an outstanding 25% increase over standard. What you'll notice is that when you drive it, the throttle is a lot more responsive, it's a lot snappier, it feels a lot more sporty. And along with that sound, it's a much big improvement over just the catback. So you can tell something's definitely been done to this Jimny. Okay, so now it's on to the stage 3, the burger with the lot. After fitting the full exhaust, we are now going to make good use of it by adding Harrop's brand new and highly anticipated TVS 900 supercharger kit. It's designed and manufactured right here in Australia by Harrop Engineering to OE standards, utilising Eaton TVS technology. It's exclusively designed for the Suzuki Jimny JB74 4-cylinder engine. The side-mounted supercharger kit is water-to-air intercooled, and it comes complete with high-flow injectors and a neat 2-piece carbon airbox. It produces incredible increases in power and torque with considerable gains right throughout the rev range. The good part about it is the complete system requires no other modifications, and it retains an OEM Plus level of appearance and operation. The instantaneous boost response from the positive displacement supercharger provides much needed torque from idle, which is ideal for Jimny owners with additional weight from aftermarket accessories or larger tyres, so people that are looking for increased performance to counter those things. The kit really comes together easily, which is great for the owner because it means minimal downtime off the road, and we can get the car back to you all kitted out in next to no time. So with everything back together, it's back onto the dyno where our expert tuners will custom tune the package to extract the most power possible while keeping it within safe parameters. All right, so now we're talking. We've taken this Jimny from 75 kilowatts standard to 135 kilowatts. It's a gain of 60 kilowatts. And not only that, we've taken the torque from 130 Newton meters of torque at the flywheel to 200 Newton meters. That's a mind-blowing 80% increase over standard. I guess the best thing about this kit is the way it fits. I mean, Harrop's engineers have done another fantastic job, and I guess that's why we keep going back to Harrop for their product, because the fit and finish is second to none. I mean, it looks like it's supposed to be there. So again, well done, Harrop. All right, so there you have it. Let me first thank our customer, Peter, who left his pride and joy with us for an extended period of time so that we could do everything in stages and get some real world figures out to you guys. It's allowed us to put packages together that suit every need and every budget. So if you've got a Jimny and you want to get it tricked up, or even if you've got any questions about any of the packages that you've seen in this video, give us a call at the Horsepower Factory on 1-800-GO-FAST.